Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening. This is the 12th video of this Java series. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use methods with parameters. So let's say you want to write a method that takes a string, maybe called name. So we're going to use two classes again in this video. So open up the second class or create a second class. It doesn't really matter. But I'll be using the same class we wrote in that previous video. And we're going to write a new method called public void. And we'll say hello user. Opening and closing parentheses and the curly brackets. Now inside of the parentheses, I'm just going to type in string and name. This tells the method that it will take a string variable called name, and then we want to put out a simple message to the user. So we'll do a print line command and say hello space and another closing quotes plus, and then we use the same variable that we're inputting here, name. Okay, close it off with the semicolon. Now go ahead and make sure you compile that so it generates the class file, and then go back into your main Java file, your main class. Now up at the top, we're going to do an import java.util.scanner because we want to actually have the user type in a name. Now let's go ahead and create the scanner object. Scanner input equals new scanner system.in. Okay, and then we also need to create our utils object, or our second class object. Utils utilities equals new utils. Okay, and then we'll print out a system.out.print. We'll print out a simple prompt to the user. Please enter your name, space, parentheses, and then we'll use our input. Actually, we'll generate that variable string name, and we'll set our input dot next line to that. And then we will call on our utilities objects that we created. And then we'll do the hello user. And inside of those parentheses, we'll just put in name. Okay? So what's going to happen is we're creating our scanner object, and then we're creating our utils object. It's going to prompt the user to enter a name. They will then type in their name, and it will be stored in this variable. Then it's going to use the object utils object that we created called utilities, call on the hello user method that we wrote, and then it's going to pass this variable along into that method. Okay, so let's go ahead and compile it, make sure it compiles, and then if we run it, we get the please enter your name. I type in chill, and it'll say hello chill. And that's pretty much it with method parameters. You can use them with any type of variable or even other objects. We'll be using this second class in future videos, so make sure you save it off and keep it updated. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.